Starting over in your 30s is humbling. Here's why. Imagine, nandun ka na sa part ng buhay mo na tinatawag nilang midlife crisis. And di lahat ng tao ready para harapin yun. Kasi nandyan lahat ng responsibilities, sabay-sabay. Pwede may anak ka na, pwede may pamilya ka, pwede rin at the same time na-realize mo ang bagal mo na palang mag-aral. Bagal mo nang matuto, nagkakasakit ka na lagi, at mas mabilis ka nang mapagod. In your 30s, this might be your peak. This might be the time na pinipili mo ng mag-less risk and more stable choices. Kaya nga humbling siya when people start above 30s. When you say humbling, kailangan ko bumalik sa pagiging entry level. Kailangan ko bumalik sa parang estudyante. Kailangan ko palang bumaba sa mas bata sa akin na boss ko. At hindi lahat ng tao kaya ng ego nila gawin yun. But do know, mas maraming tao ngayon na mas bata, at least, ang nararating kanilang first millions. And that's probably one of the things I did. I listened to founders, good founders, in the local scene, international scene, that made millions or maybe billions. Ang tanong lang, are you in the right industry when starting in your 30s or older? Wala ka pang nararating in your 30s, maybe it's time to consider other industries.